Today I'm in Denia and we're looking at this 1954 Yugoslavian built. It was originally a ferry, one of three, and this boat's had an interesting history. It's been a restaurant, floating restaurant in London called the Prince Albert. It was then used as a floating furniture store after an extensive refit. Back in the 90s, it was then used as a luxury cruiser around Nice. And at the moment, there was a project to turn it into a luxury cruiser, which was abandoned due to the change of fortunes of the prospective buyer, which is all down to that nasty 5-letter word COVID. So today we've got it on the market again, and we're selling it as a project. That means that this boat, you'll be able to see in the background, you can see there is the Baradero of Denia. So we've got various plans, we've got projects, and anyone who wants to take this boat on just has to agree terms with the shipyard. This is splendid. It really is a splendid old boat. And you can do what you like with it. Later on in the video, I will show you some of the plans that we have, and so basically you can see that the teak's in very good condition. See the door furniture. So if you're interested, we can arrange a virtual visit, or we can pick you up from Alicante and take you to visit the boat. So let's go up and see. At the moment it's being used essentially as a storage space, but you can see here the potential of this boat is massive. There's also a project for it to become a floating office. So if I just take you for a walk around here, and then we look across the way there you have the Baliera port and the shipyard. Here we go into the all the furniture's all wrapped up. Then you've got a splendid table, television, obviously all air conditioned. Got the original carpet. So really it's a splendid boat. So basically it's a boat that can lend itself to projects such as restaurants, luxury cruise liner, or office space, which is with all the tax advantages you get with it. Here you have a kitchen fully equipped, and here we come into down into the engine room. Going there.
Which could be kitted out into a crew mess.
Yeah.
Knocking the wall through into the kitchen, so it's one big open space.
Yeah, you got extra space here. So let's look down onto the engine room. The engines are recent, not many hours. The boat was refitted, and these engines were built in Korea. So even though it's an old boat on the outside, the actual mechanics of it and the electronics are very good. Look at the boiler. You've got that, the water tanks. But basically it's a cosmetic thing. It's painting the outside and then designing the inside to your liking. Here we go up. So this was all gutted out. You've got a head, a toilet in there, which you can't really see. There it says head. we go down the corridor, we come up to the captain's quarters. This is the captain's bedroom. You have here his shower room. The head we saw a minute ago around the back. And we go now up to the bridge. Yeah, this is beautiful, look. So we're putting this boat on the market and we will be putting it into auction fairly soon. So look, there you have across there. It's not a particularly nice day, but it's not the view is hampered by they have the specific windscreen wipers, if you like. Here you have the Daewoo, as I said, the Korean engines. You've got the Forno radar. You've got some computers, which is obviously a bit obsolete. So let's go out onto the actual deck, look across. We go across, as I say. The shipyard that has all the quotes for this project, which is Port Denia, is just across there. It's where they service all the big catamarans, and they really do some lovely jobs on refits and SOS, El Nombre, the name of the boat, Harmony. And here we go with some more. Yes, really, lots. Here you've got a reception desk. You've got a hold there. We go around here. You do forgive me, I'm discovering the boat myself. I did walk around it briefly, but I'm ad-libbing a bit here. There you got another lovely bedroom. Yeah. Yeah, it's a beautiful room. Go around the corner. Got their head round there. So that's 3 cabins. Another cabin here. You've got the desk. Let's see if I've got a light somewhere. Here you've got 2 single beds. It's ideal for a family, really. Young family. You've got the 2 children here, and the parents here. Another entrance there, which is locked. Porthole. And here we have another cabin. There's a plan, so you can get a good idea of the layout of the boat. So in this particular cabin you've got a lot of light. That one's called Ranger. And this one is called Astra. So if you want to have a project to build a little mini luxury cruiser, or if you want to entertain all your family and friends, this really is a good project. Going back down the corridor. It doesn't want to turn off, so I just have to cut it.
Down there you've got the cinema, the old cinema room.
So now, I've just been prompted there, I don't know whether you heard, we're going down to the old cinema room. There we are, look at that. We go here. Private room here, it'd probably be locked. No, it's not. Oh, it's a kitchen. Kitchen room.
Gone off, is it?
Here you've got some bunks. You've got another head there. So this was an old cinema. Obviously, that's a bit passé, but one of the projects, as I said, is a floating office. So you've got lots of potential for people that want to be offshore, if you like, and rent. And now we go down into the crew's quarters. So if you're interested at all in this boat, I can put you in touch with the shipyard. I can let you have copies of the plans for the various projects, or you can just refit it yourself. I mean, now we're down in the crew's quarters, which is all being used as for storage. There you've got another bunk bed. Here you've got another one. Let's go down here. You've got a head. You've got a washing room, washing machine, another crew's quarters. Another head. So here we are in the engine room. These are the Daewoo engine. There's a spec list with that's the Blackwater tank there. Here you have the powerful engines, the oil water separator there. As I say, there's a full spec list to tell you about the how many horsepower engine, consumption, all the tanks. It's all very clean. Yeah, what a beautiful engine room. Very easy to work, lots of access. So, as you can see, that it's in very good condition. Batteries. Here you have a little workroom, the engineer, all equipped. Well, we have the funnel. Make it a bit smaller so you can get it all in. Here we have a winch. This is the